Good morning, friends. Today we will start with our I sound words. We have already done with A and E sound. Now we will do I sound reading. So everyone start with me. I sound reading. You don't have to write or draw anything of this in your notebook. Just it is for reading. Now, can you see this picture? It is a picture of zip. Yes, zip. Come on, spell with me. Z I P zip. Repeat after me. Z I P zip. One more time. Z I P zip. Very good. Now the next picture is of lip. Yes, lip. Now start writing. Read L I P lip. Read it one more time. L I P lip. Again L I P lip. Yes. Now we will move to the next picture, that is of nip. Can you see this nip? Yes. This is known as nip. Come on, spell that. N I B nib. N I B nib. Again N I B nib. One more time. N I B nib. Now can you see this picture? Can anybody tell me what is this? Yes, it is tin. It is tin. You all must be having tin in your house. That is oil tin. मम्मा जिसमें तेल लेके आती है वो तेल के डिब्बे को बोलते हैं टिन. कम ऑन से TIN tin. One more time. TIN tin. Again repeat after me. TIN tin. Yes. Now we will move to the next picture, that is pin. Now pin, we can say even this nail is also a pin, and you must be have seen a safety pin, right? That is also known as pin. So PIN pin. Repeat after me one more time. PIN pin. Again PIN pin. Yes. Now we will move to the next picture, that is of a fish. Can you see this fish? Yes. But do you know fish has fins, and with the help of these fins they swim in water. They swim in water. So these fins these are called fins, and with the help of fins fish swim in water. As birds fly with the help of wings. Birds fly with the help of wings, and fish swim in water with the help of fin. So FIN fin. Repeat FIN fin. Again One more time. Fin. Fin. Repeat after me, beta. Fin. Fin. Now we will come to the next picture, that is of a bib. Do you know what is a bib? No? Okay, I will tell you. Do you all have small brother or sister? When mama feeds them anything, then first mama puts on their neck this bib. कपड़ा होता है, एक हैंकी होती है, एक इस तरह का बिब होता है जो पहले उनको गले में पहनाते हैं ताकि अगर कुछ भी वो लोग खाने के वक्त जब गिराते हैं तो उनके जो कपड़े होते हैं, क्लोथ्स होते हैं, वो बिगड़ते नहीं हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज नोन एज बिब. स्पेल इट BIB, bib. Repeat after me, beta. BIB, bib. One more time. BIB, bib. BIB, bib. Now we will come to the next picture, that is fig. FIG, fig. आपको पता है fig मतलब क्या होता है? आप ड्राई फ्रूट्स खाते हो? ड्राई फ्रूट्स, काजू, बादाम, किशमिश. डू यू ऑल हैव? यस. तो आपने ड्राई फ्रूट्स में अंजीर खाए होंगे. अंजीर, वो गोल गोल आते हैं, पता है आपको? ओके, अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो आप अपनी मम्मा को बोलना अंजीर दिखाने के लिए. तो उसे बोलते हैं फिग. अंजीर एक फ्रूट होता है जो बाद में उसे ऐसे गोल गोल सर्कल्स में काट के हम लोग खाते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज नोन एज फिग. व्हाट इज दिस? फिग. FIG, fig. FIG, fig. Repeat. FIG, fig. One more time. FIG, fig. Now we will come to the next picture, very important part of our house. Do you all know this? What is this? Yes, a dustbin. Right? This is a dustbin. We all put the waste in the dustbin. हम लोग कुछ भी कचरा होता है तो वो डस्टबिन में डालते हैं. बाहर, घर के बाहर ऐसा ही नहीं फेंक देते हम लोग. We put all the waste in the dustbin, right? So everybody has a dustbin in their house. Even पापा ऑफिस में भी रखते हैं. Then even in our classroom, आपने देखा होगा हमारे क्लास में भी हम डस्टबिन रखते हैं ताकि जो भी कचरा है हम लोग डस्टबिन के अंदर रखते हैं. फाइन. सो दिस इज नोन एज डस्टबिन. सो वी विल स्पेल इट. स्पेल आफ्टर मी. BIN, bin. BIN, bin. Repeat after me, beta. BIN, bin. One more time. BIN, bin. Okay. Now, next picture is of a pig. आपने देखा है पिग? आपने देखा है पिग? Yes. तो come on, repeat after me. What is the spelling of pig? PIG, pig. Repeat. PIG, pig. Okay, very good. Now, don't stop. Now we will repeat the whole thing. Once again, repeat after me. I sound words reading, right? ZIP, zip. LIP, lip. NIB, nib. T-I-N, tin. P-I-N, pin. F-I-N, fin. B-I-B, bib. F-I-G, fig. B-I-N, bin. And P-I-G, pig. So now I will stop my I sound reading here only. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.